I just got in an accident. Here what happened. I'm picking up a police car. This car has so much power.
It's a cheaper way than driving a $250,000 ambulance around.
I just got in an accident. I was driving on the right side of the interstate and I just felt super strong hit in my back and somebody hit my my trailer. So guys, I'm picking up this car today. Looks super cool. It's lowered and the owner built it himself. You want to show this something inside? Look here. That's pretty cool. So you bought it. Oh, what is your name, sir?
Van.
Yeah, so you bought it from the dealership and you built it like it looks like this yourself?
Yeah. IHC 4.7 drop kit with the helper bags, Pro Charger D1SC, Cosmos racing wheels around with Arturo tires. So
nice,
yeah.
Nice. Yeah, the tires good and the rims is very cool. Yeah. And now you're selling it. Yeah. You're selling it and shipping it to Virginia. Yep. So you're gonna miss her. All right. So I guess you're gonna build it as a new project.
Probably.
All right.
Probably
That's
something older.
Older?
Yep.
Why is older? Why not newer?
Try a classic car again. So
okay.
I go through cars a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long does it take you to build like a car where you want it look when it looks like it's like this?
It depends on what you're doing. I mean, I've had this for 3 years now, so
and
it's just been a continuous thing.
Yeah, I just did my inspection. Its car looks super nice. It's low mileage and yeah, it's so cool. Yep. All right, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up, matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on?
The interstate is shut down. Everybody's okay. The lady, she hit my trailer. She's fine. I don't know what happened exactly. Maybe she fell asleep or something, but she hit my trailer very strong and I was driving probably 65, maybe around an hour already. The towing truck coming to pick up this car, so the road is clear and the interstate is open back. Everybody is driving well. This car is a super car, and look how close I park it. Look how close I park it here on the trailer. Right here, the small Mercedes sign. This car feels absolutely different. I had no experience before like that. Of course, like always, I just put this car on the trailer, but it's a very different experience. This car has so much power. It's just completely different with everything before I had, and it's amazing car. I always loved Mercedes. It's so nice to drive this car. I'm pretty sure I think anybody who drive this car before was super enjoying it. I have nothing else to say. Just look at this piece of art. I got here to pick up a car in a dealership, and here what happened. I'm picking up a police car. So it's so cool. It's actually ambulance service car. It's a police car for the ambulance service. In the dealership they show me how to switch the lights, so I can have a Christmas tree here, and I'm doing my inspection. I'm going to load this car on the trailer and travel with it. So that's how the car looks inside. Pretty much regular car, regular SUV. The only different is here, the middle of the car. It's a radio, some other stuff right here, which I have no idea what it means, what it do. And I only know that to put the lights on, I need to put it on 2. If I put on 3 and start driving, it's gonna make sound. On 2 is just the lights, and 1 I have no idea as well. I didn't ask. All I need to know for myself is 2. It's just the lights. And this position is nothing. That's what's most important. I don't want to drive with lights and bring a lot of attention to myself. Also, here the light. It's so bright here, and it has 2 different modes: red and white. That's as well different from just a regular car. As well as I think that's it. Nothing else is different, I guess. And I have a Raza Durango on the trailer, so yeah. The middle part, this light, and of course the exterior of the vehicle. Off this car, and this gentleman is getting it. So can you tell us a little bit more about this car, sir?
Yeah, this is so it's a 2020 Dodge Durango. This is Zimbrota ambulance. We call this an emergency response vehicle. In short, we call it an ERV. It's more or less used. A paramedic can quote unquote chase an ambulance around if a crew needs more assistance, more hands, more help. This car will be used for that. So it's set up very similar to a squad car, only we don't have the cage and stuff like that for people in back. But it's more or less lights and sirens, and it's a cheaper way than driving a $250,000 ambulance around just to get personnel from here to there. So
yeah, thank you. All right, appreciate it, sir. Thank you very much.
Welcome.